Hi traders, welcome in Trade Zone. My name is Giancarlo Prisco, and today we are going to take a look at USA indexes and give you a general update regarding the last movement of prices and try to understand what could be the next scenario, taking consideration that today is very important day due the minute of Fed that will be published 2 hours before the USA close, and of course the Nvidia earning reports that is very important in this moment, uh, probably because Nvidia represent more of 30% of NASDAQ capitalization. So in this sense, you can imagine the importance of this data. In first part, I would like to remember that market from a seasonality point of view is in potential bearish correction. If we take a look at seasonality of Standard & Poor, we can note probably that the middle of February until approximately the middle of March is one of the most bearish periods, taking consideration also that in the middle of March, we can, the third week of March, better say, we have the quarter future option expire. So this is normally a technical movement that create oblige to the operator to do a lot of adjustment, and in this sense also the indexes normally suffer important correction. If we take a look also at Dow, that is the protagonist of the week, we have a similar situation, probably because the seasonality is very similar between the USA index, even for, of course, with the NASDAQ, the situation is practically the same, taking consideration also what could happen this tonight with earning reports, because operators are very bullish, position very bullish, but the problematic is not if Nvidia could beat or not the estimation, but from guidance they would like to understand if this market could take in consideration the fact that how the semiconductor industry could continue following the AI trend. And in this sense, we need very positive news from the guidance, or market could enjoy a very good retracement. But this is something that we could see also in the next day. Dow Jones has the same seasonality. You see, normally Dow Jones is just a little more of a standard. Market could drop until the third or fourth week of March. And if we take a look at NASDAQ, the situation is practically the same. This is a particular period of correction, and this is important to take in consideration in our analysis, because you have to understand that buying these periods could be not a very good idea. Of course, the seasonality doesn't mean that market will do what we say, taking consideration also the big bullish pressure contained in the market. But after 15 weeks of uptrend with a super strong uptrend, similar situation was just in 1972, where we have just 1 week retracement, open of course, and healthy correction that will be of course obliged. So in this sense, see also NASDAQ that remain a little more have a correction, but not so big. So let's try to understand in percentage what could happen in the market. So taking consideration that Standard & Poor in this moment start to have some choppiness, but essentially market remain super bullish. It means no way to change for now this situation. And probably today, with the minute of Fed, where the operator discount 100 basis points rate cut this year from June, market could enjoy this moment to take some more correction. In H4 chart, we can see also that market still remain bullish essentially, and the key to have sorry, a potential drop is to break the minimum of 13 of February. It means the day of CPI. In this case, the chance to see the scenario with the potential attack of the previous support of the Federal Reserve meeting that was located here could be very possible. Instead, if market start to recover at least 5015, 5020 level, from here we can start another uptrend that could have a target around 5100 level. Same situation, similar situation is for Dow Jones. Essentially, what we can say in this moment is to take in consideration that Dow is very overextended and could start a choppy phase that could be closed with some drop that could arrive probably from today or tomorrow, and in this sense could be very interesting because in term of movement could offer very interesting trade. In H4 chart we can see properly how Dow Jones for now maintain this 38,820 zone. This is a very important resistance you can see, and in the same time they not break the level of CPI day. So the data are very important, guys, because create very interesting trend and movement. Market is essentially choppy, and if Dow will not break one of these extreme inside the level, would be quite difficult to trade because it's very choppy market. Also taking consideration that Monday was George Washington birthday, the President Day, so market lose 1 day for the holiday. Trend remain very choppy, so you can have to take in consideration that today, for example, market need to give us some strong movement. Probably the volume that we can take in consideration is probably the volume of 15th of February, when we have assist a strong try to break the previous zone, and market now is rounding this 38,600 level, but not give exactly a clear direction. Any uptrend is absorbed very fast, so the potential distribution is ongoing. If market start to break 38,400 level approximately, for example, this is a possible target of today's session, and market go below, we can start to have some important retracement. At contrary, if market establish a recovery of this previous resistance, we can have a very interesting buy opportunity. For NASDAQ, of course, the situation is all related with Nvidia and reports. Market, of course, already show some sign of weakness. So in general, the chance, in my opinion, to attack the 70,165 is very high this week. The trend remain quite bearish. Of course, anything could change if the purchase start to enter in the market. We have serious level like this, 70,500 level, that is very interesting um, intermedium support, and of course we can also take in consideration the drop of first part of the week, where market established another resistance 70,608 that could be attacked today, but in general the 18,000 level create an important resistance, is a strong target. So now today we could have the chance to see a vertical uptrend, but after market could start to drop. Take in consideration also that if we are going to take a look at this general movement, the chance for a drop of this movement 5%, 7% is very possible for Nasdaq. For Dow, we have a similar situation, but in general, the psychological support remain 38,000 levels. So essentially, an attack, at least a 3% drop is possible this week. And also, Standard & Poor in a situation like this normally try to drop around 3-4% drop could be possible. This zone could be an attractor and create a very strong chance for some intraday buy. Anyway, anything depend from what happened tonight with Nvidia and minute of Fed. We will return tomorrow morning with some tricks about ethics about the Dow, and also we are going to take a look at the result of the movement of tonight, and we discuss together, so we can also give another interesting view about how the market could close this week. For my part, it's all for today. Thank you very much, of course, to stay every day with us. Have a great trading day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.